All right, guys. It's a shocking one. Yes, the day we all have been waiting for is already here. El-Rufai have done APC and joins SDP. It's a breaking news today. He have made this official. Remember the last time he visited the SDP leaders and all that, we showcased it here on NAIJA Watch Media. So a lot of us were skeptical, were speculating, oh, is he going to move to SDP and all that, or blah, blah, blah. But this is already happening. You have made it very official, and we're going to be taking it right here. You know, who is next? Is it going to be Peter Obi? Because El-Rufai were calling other political leaders in other parties indirectly. Some people already saying that maybe he was calling Peter Obi to join him in SDP so that they can take Nigeria from Tinubu, you know, in 2027. This one, the fight, go easy. But let's quickly take this one together, guys. As you can see right there, coming from channels, El-Rufai dumps APC, joins SDP. So I'd like to quickly take this here. The immediate past governor of Kaduna State, Nasir El-Rufai, has resigned from the ruling All Progressive Congress and defected to the Social Democratic Party, SDP. In a statement he issued on Monday, El-Rufai expressed his disappointment with the APC leadership style, accusing the leadership of the party of straying from the progressive ideas of its founding members. At this point in my political journey, I've come to the conclusion that I must seek another political platform for the pursuit of the progressive values I cherish. I have now decided to join the Social Democratic Party, SDP. But I'd like us to go to his quote quickly. He disclosed that he had expressed concerns both privately and publicly over the party's trajectory in the past 2 years, but found no willingness among the current leadership to address the issues. The former governor said, unquote, development in the last 2 years on the party of those who currently control and run the APC acknowledge, more or less address the unhealthy situation of the state. At this point, my political journey, I have come to the conclusion that I must seek another political platform for the pursuit of the progressive values I cherish. Then it went on. We have another quote for you right here. My 8 years tenure in Kaduna State was devoted to implementing progressive policies to advance human development. The record count for little in the current APC that has castrated its organs and treated its membership with contempt in the last 2 years, I found this no longer acceptable. So my people, as we talk, so El-Rufai, it don't come out. I remember the last time he was visiting, a lot of people visited Buhari, visited even some religious leaders as well, visited the same SDP leaders that he just recently moved to right now. And yes, Nasia, also, although he met with Tinubu as well, and during that time, I believe the discussion did not go well. So he have decided to move on. But this time, he's calling for, calling for other political leaders to join him in this pursuit to take Nigeria away from Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So it's not a small journey right here. But what do you think? Do you think that Peter Obi will be joining El-Rufai anytime soon? Well, before I will take that with you here, I would like us to quickly listen to this video here.
After months and weeks of speculations, political meetings, and jabs at President Tinubu and the APC, former Kaduna State Governor Nasir El-Rufai has resigned from the ruling All Progressives Congress APC and has joined the Social Democratic Party, the SDP. I'll begin with that big story. Yes, no more speculations, no more rumors about the political standing of the former governor of Kaduna State, Malam Nasir El-Rufai. He has now officially resigned his membership of the ruling All Progressives Congress APC, a party which he's a founding member of, and he's indicated his move now to join the Social Democratic Party, the SDP, and adopt it as a platform for what he calls his future political engagement and activities. Well, Mr. El-Rufai, in a statement which he personally signed moments ago, says that today, March the 10th, 2025, I have submitted a letter resigning my membership of the APC to my ward in Kaduna. We can tell you that he was in Lagos yesterday, where he visited former presidential aspirant Pastor Tunde Bakare and former Osun State Governor Rauf Aregbesola. And when he returned from Lagos yesterday, he also visited former Vice President Atiku Abubakar in company of former Governor of Adamawa State, Jibril Bindo. In a post on X, Mr. Atiku had teased by saying that they had robust discussions, but didn't say what those discussions were about at that time. But the cat has now been let out of the bag. In fact, he had also met with former President Muhammadu Buhari.
All right, I'll just let that one be right there. Ladies and gentlemen, as we're speaking right now, El-Rufai have moved out of APC. Remember, El-Rufai is one of the founders of APC. I've stated that so many times on different mainstream medias. But my main concern right now is that where is Peter Obi going to go? Obviously, you and I know that Peter Obi cannot strive on our Labour Party due to the kind of satanic demonstration from the current leadership over there, so most especially as well, Julius Abure. So Peter Obi have to move out. But the contemplation right now is Peter Obi moving to PDP, or is Peter Obi going to follow El-Rufai to the SDP? If that happens, Peter Obi going to be a vice to El-Rufai, or El-Rufai wants to be a vice to Peter Obi? These are questions, the very significant questions that you and I need to ask ourselves, because the reason why I supported Peter Obi is because Peter Obi was the one, the aspirant, the candidate. Yes, Baba Ahmed, follows, as the vice, deputy or whatever. But still, if Peter Obi decide now in 2027 to become a vice or a deputy to anybody, that one go be as it get to. Go be as it gets. But for any reason, Peter Obi want to move out of Labour Party, which I know certainly, is going to happen. But I'm not sure where he's moving to. But if for any reason he's moving out and order, whatever agreement that they're going to have, behind us, behind the public, Peter Obi, please be the leader and let the others follow. But if you have to follow them and they have to be the leader, trust me, your followers will drop drastically. My people, what do I know? I thought I should bring this to you guys. Put it on the comment section. What's your take? Do you think Peter Obi should move to SDP and work with El-Rufai as the deputy, as the vice president, or as the main candidate and El-Rufai should work with him as the vice president? Or do you think Peter Obi should move out of Labour Party to just go to PDP or this SDP? What's your take? Just tell us. Or some of us have contemplated in the past that Peter Obi should have just created a new party. Maybe Obedient Party. I don't know. I'm just asking. But what's your take? Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you guys shortly with another video. Please like our videos, share our videos. This is NAIJA Watch Media. Thank you. Take care and bye for now.